And as usual, I use the term loosely. Just going to do a little quick public service announcement here today. You guys have seen these crankcases, right? And you guys have seen this kind of damage. You've seen this kind of damage. Well, not all ground up, but you've seen the cracks here. Cracked on the outside, cracked on the inside, cracked on the outside, cracked on the inside. You've seen it down here. Cracks that blow these bolt holes out all over the place. Cracks like this that blow the front one of this, the front bolt hole out. What causes that? I'll tell you what causes that. That causes that. Gasket sealer. What happens is people take the primary cover off for whatever reason. They want to seal it up real good. So they get any one of your choice of gasket goop, and you smear the hell out of this. Well, when gasket sealer gets in these bolt holes and you tighten a screw, gasket sealer is non-compressible. So you tighten a screw down, and what it eventually does is it cracks the inside of all these bolt holes out. And you get these little eruptions where the metal just splits apart. And eventually at some point in time, some poor bastard like me has got to go back in there, grind all the cracks out. You got to open these things up because that gasket sealer and shit gets down in these holes, and you really can't get it out of there. And it gets contaminated with oil, gasket sealer, everything else. So you got to build this all back up with weld and retap the holes. Use gasket sealer sparingly. Don't glop it on there. You get all hoober-goobered up with sealer so it won't leak, and then you end up breaking your crankcase. Anyway, be careful when you're putting the primary cover on. Use gasket sealer sparingly. Avoid getting into the holes as much as possible, and every time you take one of these bastards off, you need to chase it out with a tap and a die to get the shit out of the bottom of the hole. One other thing. If you got an air compressor and a blowgun that you use to clean these holes out, you need a blowgun with a long skinny nozzle, because you want to get it into the bottom of the hole so it will blow this shit out. If you just blow it from the top, you're just packing the shit in there deeper. You want something that gets down to the bottom of the hole so that when you blow it out, the air's at the bottom and it shoots the stuff back up and out. Anyway, public service announcement. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And I am out of here. Bye.